Carve a Norse legend into your surface in seconds. No retopology, no resculpting, just stamp and go. From Odin and Fenrir to looping World-serpent borders and rune rings, this pack turns any flat mesh into something that looks like it belongs on a Viking longship or god's altar. Hey everyone, Luke here from Pretty Tutor. Today we are launching our Norse Decal and Stamp Pack, a collection of mythology-inspired height stamps designed for Blender, Substance Painter, and modern game engines. Every design comes with free synced maps: height map for sculpting, displacement, and real carved depth, opacity alpha for clean crisp mask and decal, and base color for instant engraved textures and inlay detail to overlay to any material. This is not just a bunch of flat silhouettes. Each rune cluster and engraving has layered height variation built in. The shapes interlock and overlap, so when you stamp them into stone, metal, or wood, the surface actually feels engraved, with depth, mid-depth grooves, and softer planes catching the light. So they read as a proper chiseled work, not just printed icons. In Blender, you can use height maps as sculpting stamps for shields, pillars, weapons, and props. Drive displacement modifiers for non-destructive carved surfaces. Use the opacity maps as decal stencils to keep edges razor sharp. In Substance Painter, you can also load them as stencils or alphas for fast engraving passes. Trace the height for crisp chisel marks. Blend the base color maps for instant stylized or realistic material variations. The pack is turned to work beautifully for both stylized and realistic workflows. Push the contrast and roughness for chunky, hand-carved Viking fantasy, or keep things subtle for grounded, film-style Nordic props and architecture. Either way, the depth information holds up at a gameplay distance and close-up beauty shots. If you want rich Norse storytelling without spending days hand-carving every rune and knot, this pack is for you.